What's up, everybody? You asked for more sneaker videos? Well, you're getting one. My good friend Ezekiel over at Shoe Slides, who is the creator of these really handy shoe horns on the go, fit into your wallet, help you save the back heel counter of your shoes, hooked me up with a pair of brand new Yeezys. Let's check them out. Brand new YEEZY YESHAYA reflective. Gum rubber outsole. Reflective laces. Got that nice stripe down the middle. What do you guys think? I'm super excited about them. They are super comfy. I've been wearing Adidas since I was a kid. And, they've evolved quite a bit over the years. But I'm really excited to put some miles on these ones. I know some people were kind of hoping for a purple one, but I really like the neutral aspects of this. I could wear it with what I'm wearing right now. I love that kind of mint, almost mint tone to it. Those undertones in the stitching. Pretty sweet looking shoe. Nice and neutral. Don't need to be stopping traffic with them. They went away with the heel tab. I like that. Nice sleek design. Pretty cool. So we're going to do a raffle. The comment with the most likes gets to win a little shoe slide, and I'll mail it to you. So comment something clever below, and if it gets the most likes, after a week, we'll send you one of these little shoe slides. What do you think? History in the making. Jason Dornstar's first pair of Yeezys. Thank you, Ezekiel. You are a very kind person. Appreciate you, man. YESHAYA. YESHAYA. YESHAYA.